To start with the installation of Open Dental Connector app into GHL, we will navigate to App Marketplace. Here we will search for our Open Dental Connector. Here is our Open Dental Connector app, and from here we will click on the installation button and select the required location in which we need to install our app, and clicking on continue and allowing an install. We will be redirected to our application, where we will be able to see the link which will be copied from here. And for adding the custom menu link, we have the option here to directly navigate to custom menu link of the GHL. So here we will have the option to add the custom menu link. For that, we can select the icon whichever we like. Link title, we will give Open Dental Connector, and here we will paste the link which we just copied, and further going down, selecting the required details, select option. Here we need to add it to the Nova Dental Care sub account. Here we will give the role based visibility for all, and clicking on save, it will add the custom menu link to the desired location. And from here we will switch to that location where we have just added the custom menu link. So here, as we scroll down, the custom menu link which we just added for the Open Dental Connector has been added. Okay, and we have been logged in to this. So now we will be needing to do some configuration step before the syncing process starts. And here we are having few alerts that we need to configure the Open Dental developer key and customer key. Clicking here, we will be redirected to the step 1 of our configuration. So for that, we will be needing the developer key and customer key which we have in the developer portal. So here is the developer portal which we have and which has been logged in. So here I'm just copying the customer key which I want to have it linked with our account. So I will be pasting here the customer key. Now we also need the developer key, so clicking on this hamburg icon and going to the account, we have this developer key here, and we have also the copy button. So on this, clicking this, we have the developer key. Now we need to select the required location, time zone of the Open Dental. So since my Open Dental instance is being set up in the Indian Standard Time, I am selecting the Indian Standard Time. Now on clicking the submit button, we have the headquarters and the GHL Nova Dental Care location, which we need to map with the required Open Dental clinic. So if you do not have the clinic set up, then you can just avoid this and skip for the further video. And the ones which need to have the clinic set up, so I want my Nova Dental Care to be mapped with the Northview Dental Specialist, right? So on clicking submit, it will be submitted, and now we are on the step 2 of the configuration. So for the connector sync, I want my Open Dental patient to be synced to GHL, and of course from GHL to Open Dental. So here we are supposed to select the required date from when I want my patient to be synced into GHL. So my clinic since is started in 2020, so I will select that date, and on clicking the submit button, this will be redirected to the mapping. So in this field mapping option, we have on the left side Open Dental fields, and on the right side we have the GHL fields. So for this, I will give you one example that this is a zip code. So in the Open Dental, we have the property as the zip, and in the same way I want it to be mapped with the postal code of the GHL. So the data in the zip code stored in Open Dental will be synced to the postal code property in GHL. In the same way I have mapped for the city to the city, and in case if we don't want the property to be mapped with any, then we can just select the do not map option in the drop down. And moving forward, supposedly if I have a home phone, then I want to have it sync, but there is no such property in GHL. So what will I do? I will just select the custom field option, and the created custom fields which I will be having in my GHL, that will be shown here. So for now I have no custom fields, so it will not be shown here, but once the custom field has been created, then what am I supposed to do is just view this. So let's move forward with this and make this as do not map. And moving forward, we will just click on the submit button. So the syncing process will start soon, and it will be redirecting us to the dashboard view. So yeah, this is our dashboard. So for now, the providers and patients will start the syncing process as our background services run, and we will be having the status here that so far how many patients and providers has been synced, and here the patients which are in the queue and the providers as well in the queue will be displayed here. And if in case there are any issues with that record, supposedly if the email is not in a not proper, then that record will not be accepted by GHL, and in that case we will be able to see this by clicking this, and we will be have the details of the patients and the providers which has not been synced. So yeah,